Didn't kick in. Now we're good.
We talked about the menus a little bit already, how the menus work left to right. The first menu all the way through to the chilling cycle, which would be the very end. So we're going to do our first step, which is to start the brew. So you're going to click once when you're on this screen.
The main screen, yep.
And it's going to take you into the main menu. And so there are several options under the main menu. We're going to go look for Start Program. And we're going to find, it just happens to be the first program this time, but you would normally just use the...
So we took the #1 slot, yeah.
That's right. So you just pick the Irish Stout. And you could look at the program here if you wanted to, or you could delay the start. And if maybe in a different place, you could delay the start by 8 hours, and then it would just fill and boil and whatever.
Yeah.
You could even do it in here if you wanted to, just to get it ready ahead of time. Just come in the night before, turn the water on, fill this all the way up, and then turn the water off. And then, then starting it would be okay. The worst thing that could happen is that it would boil itself out.
Yeah.
And that would be bad, but we have safety valves in here. If the water level gets too low, the heating elements can't fire. So if it were to boil itself out, it would get to just below the little fill thing, and it would stop.
But the general idea is you don't want to leave this unattended with the water on, because it could spill water everywhere and cause significant damage.
That's right.
So that's the rule.
Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and start, and that's it. You can see the fill step here. I like to watch the fill step because every once in a while you can get one of these hoses to fail. So if somebody were to come down and kick one of the components underneath one of the adjustments, then bubbles won't get pushed out through the system, and it won't really know where the water level is. You could get an
overfill.
Exactly. You might have to go get them up, and it's just, I like to watch it, make sure that it kind of looks like it's about halfway full when it says it is, and if it looks okay, then it's probably fine. But just stay kind of close by.
All right.
And that's it. That's starting it up.
Cool.